Welcome to our virtual tour of this Baja mini bike. We've done a couple modifications to it. Obviously paint job. It has semi-new tires in the front and brand new tires in the back. Predator engine. So it's 212 cc's versus the 196 cc's that comes with it. I've got a battery pack lined up with it. It's a Black & Decker, and I've wired in a horn and the light to it. It starts and runs freaking amazing, and it's got a aftermarket transmission on it. It's super fast. Let's start it up. I would let it go, but it takes off on its own if you do. Super fast. With a new belt on there, you'll be pulling wheelies. It's an amazing bike.